America, and then we say NDC for your health to do Kumasi. Now, almost almost coming and say, I can't sling ready some people with Yamoma. There's people outside there on the Yamoma. It's not people outside the Oman can I see refugees number 50.
There be Kasem Nubium, what's the thing?
I'm just saying, I can't are not ready for to work for them. The NDC are doing their health work. If the accounts are not ready to vote for them, there are people outside there who are really able to vote for them.
Wow.
It's interesting. Refugees now no more conform, they won't make it.
Oh yeah,
so that they can do 2028 elections. Now I can say, yeah, the patriots no, they never say sorry, because Ghana and Togo yeah now for, and on the doing so, on the voter side, send a day only win. I idea down because Omadi can be together. I say Ghana phone to Mama, promote Pata Robert Mamon. It's a promote Pata, no more Sonny refugees in Oma Yili. And another name is NDC during at a most era. Only policy be a good for Ghana for. Say a castle health insurance for phone at the buy, 3 SHS. Nana do buy na de buy zip line here dinina then de buy how many policy dia and confirm policy and then kokoma policy ni na so ni ho ba kokko ni ho nti na me ka say o si delegate leti ni kokko yi kan 4% na so betimi a support na ya to abana mo and na dollar sensem and na me ko jama da bi I think Thursday no e commercial bank ya nya dimpu ba kokko bi ni ho ba ko se ko bi ni ho. It's almost $1 number from. It's $1 any billion. It's $1 is in your own wood, no more turn about 15 city, 14 city.
Yeah.
It's any idea of mine or can be so see a story, no, it's make kind of it's terrible because I can't run out of person for 30 and you can know I've got as on as a president for life. You can't tell about it because somebody any moment to my and this is for my yepa and a quantian ketinketi a war voter region if Togo ban na your man could send a be on conform from aba a year and this is one case
and no crepa
a man could send a be on conform from aba a young man okay to say IGP or kita star 3 near permanent star 1 aba maybe an person or day it's the name of worker anyway and with us.
Wow, thank you. Would you submission because some of our car says for these refugees that come in, they end up voting for if anything NDC and because get us south and get north election results you always see say most around that election time no almost me crossing border ni those unapproved routes to come and vote, and then they go back. They come and decide who should become president in Ghana. They vote for NDC and they go back. Sometimes Crawford be NDC come with me basi, some Crawford nearby. And this one and to quiet cause war no. When they come in, they just come and live among us, get our voters ID, and then start deciding for us who becomes the leader. And they say, yeah, I want people. So I say, sure, ye. Now, there cause war Togo no. It is not in our benefit. Baby, Pacho wa Obiaba comment section was say Jimmy Kasa and say Pacho blocking my muti no my FFF me da say. All right, akonam boafo. Ankonam boafo. How's it pronounced? Yes, me Pacho am muti who why Ankonam boafo.
Uncle, yeah, good morning. Yeah, voice, good morning.
Yes, morning.
I'm say Ghana for Nanka said, somebody will money now, maybe the other one say, yeah, it's here. I say, in 4 days, my dominion to play about Dubai. I'm sure commercial bank, our castle, police station, $1 maybe over. But the whole one say, bank with me 1035 or so. nti okodu wa se bra na nya bi ho na say me chen the forest view on okodu 13 cities.
Wow.
And you will be say me 13 cities. It is 13 cities no. Nipa no go fa na nyama mba no me rate nyama no 1035 against because sign the course 13. Na ayem ya say mo business people na almost sense Canada kono. Wo munim sa relatives ni na on ground. Ba wo mon kasa ya nche say they are okay. Nti nipa na nko sanete wo Bank of Ghana no. Sasa na ye kan the time na PP kono na Bank of Ghana rate na yesen. Na mo NDC ko munim pa say time mo kono na nye 15 and yes 17 but mo ya mo 17 and the 16 and the 17. Ba wo buy na the we use bank rate in the year juma. So time will tell. Emre and a bachelor. What I say, Emre and a bachelor. And a Sato we na question so dear. Me Sanya Mani no. I am blaming ECOWAS. Oh, where's Mobin Casa Mania customer or being customer?
Okay, all right, no problem. Yeah, okay. I think Kumasi Queen is back. An update.
The voice.
Yes.
The person may hear one quick correction.
Okay.
Guy be Bekasa is saying, Usu Mbisa, social doctor now said Dr. Samira. And then, or baby Sawomano. Emma can be say, your chairman, no. And so cranny day, me person me correct sardian. Some of us behind the scene.
Oh, yeah.
True voice of Insawam. We did that, say. People that are going, you know, ice king na bibi etesa. And yes, I'll be kasa and kame kasa what you see. So we should get this straight. Say people show concern and also people show solidarity to Chema won to me. And yes, sir, no, maybe I not with him. And also say be a time on chair and not only honor man as any panning ni hunting. Yes, sir, no. Yemu bin MP that ya kumaso. Aha. But on a second note, so about the ID card, that is Ghana card. Yeah. Ghana card has 20 features. Abrochire ha ye ni saade no wo ye de ne so. So what you say?
But please repeat what you said.
Me say Ghana card no. E wo 20 features bi abrochire ha. Ye ni saa niema no, especially UK eni saade no. E wo omo card so. Afi no omo so try so omo be ye the same thing na doctor AyE AyE no. Aha, because me the Ghana card call commissioner of oath. Na me nim say onje. But oje your share ye bibia was and no church me say we was. But yes, for security reasons, I don't want to say say aha. Yeah. So I was say we should applaud Dr. Anas MPP Abai for doing such a wonderful job for Ghanaians. I would never appreciate the omoye then. Omoye ma yen I didn't cry why you don't value it, so you lose it. Aha. And nyema can say me share Samira ba womia enda. Me can tell say enipa a etwa ne ho hia no. Onye two-way verification. Ye. Two-way verification. Because we have people omo yesa omo pe doctor asem. But behind omo pe doctor asem. What you see? Omo ko baby for fry what dey omo kan. And na the mesanya catch on say doctor ontimi ma na say omo ntimi ma obi juma MPP government ntimi ma obi ejuma. Ain't come my advice and say on your way going to Volta region right from Sege going, we have a vast land over there to Volta region. Bibia udi basis assassin is to be a year. Why don't we go back to agriculture? Operation Feed Yourself. If they can adopt that strategy and do that for Ghanaians, at least university we should come be a bit me ako. So pesa will be that. You can get a land, employ people, and then cultivate at the end of the day, no? Be the obe channel, the obe nya obe to obe nyesika. And yes, so when you invest here, you can't farm. It is wrong. That mentality, so when you invest here, you have to sit in the office. It is wrong. Because the white collar job doesn't pay.
Yeah.
The white collar job does not pay even a single light bill and now say household AEM. And we should get into agriculture. And also say we should be critical thinkers. Yen ye environment no. Nye ye betimi aye den aye. Then you go to ABA or youth organizer and say bibi say, oh, this is what I have planned doing as in form of vocation. So what you say?